It is day 25 of filming myself every day. So today, this morning, we're going to go for a walk first. And then we're going to come back, have some food, and then get ready for work in the evening. So, hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you on my walk. So I have nipped somewhere before I have gone for my walk. I bet you can never guess where I have gone. I don't know. We are here, not far from Haslingden Grange, and we're going to go for a walk around a reservoir called Calf Hay. So hope you enjoy the video. So as you can see by the video, in England we've not had much rain, so you can see that the reservoir was more or less empty, and all the rivers, there weren't much water in any of the rivers either. So, but that is the walk. I have done a video about 2 years ago of it when it was full, so I'll link that in the description below, along with the All Trails link. I'll put them both in the description below. But we have completed the walk, and to reward myself, I have got myself a white chocolate and berry magnum. So we'll eat this now, then head off home, and then we'll get ready for work. So we were in a bit of a rush to get home from the walk and get ready for work. So my lovely mother was kind enough to make me some food. So we've got some like veggie burgers, some fries, and a salad. So I'm going to quickly eat all this now, and then we'll make my food for the evening. So today for work, the only thing I have to take with me is a portion of Slim Fast. I don't have any other food left out for me, so I'm gonna make a portion of Slim Fast and we'll get some food at work, maybe like a sandwich and a yogurt or something like that. I'll let you know what I get tomorrow. So I'll make that Slim Fast now. I'm all ready for work now. I'm going to get this video edited and uploaded, and I will see you tomorrow.